exposing my classmates 'cause everyone's doing this now. This is A and J. I call them the trouble pair. Why, you may ask? They've gotten on my nerves over and over again. Here is an example of that happening.
Hey, can you draw me a girl in a dress?
Sure. I spent about 30 minutes on it, and the only breaks I took is when I was thinking. For her hairstyle. When I was done, I was satisfied with the results, but a few things I had to improve. It existed, but that was fine. After I was done, I gave it to Jay, and I need to give y'all a question. I drew her a smile like this, and she thought it was a frowny face.
I like it, but I don't want her to frown. Like this.
I was extremely offended 'cause I'm still learning and you disrespect me like this?
Make me another.
No, I want you crusty, musty, dusty, Cheeto, dusted, fingered girl.
Peppa, please assist.
No, be grateful I even drew you.
Pretty please with a cherry on top.
Fine, but I won't if you still won't like that version. I drew her another, but this time it was 10 minutes 'cause I'm not torturing my fingers for her. Done, Jay. Hope you like it now.
Wow, I love it. Thanks.
Can you draw me one too?
It's just A. Although she's also kinda annoying, I'll draw one for her. Sure, A. I spent about 40 minutes making A's drawing. I thought she liked it until Jay showed A what I drew for her, and this girl said,
Look what she drew for me.
Why did you draw hers better and mine bad?
At that point, I just wanted to. Thank you so much for watching.